joining Burton Yoga Studio for the pose of the week. Today we're going to do the standing twist. Start with bringing your mind to a peaceful place if you're able to. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take in a few breaths, as many breaths as you need to get yourself at peace. And then we're going to rotate our head. Inhaling as your head go up, exhaling as your head come down, and in both directions. And do that as long as you can. This is a condensed version, so I just do a few with you for the pose of the week. You can join me weekly for Burton Yoga Studio session each Monday at 6 p.m. Pacific Time or 9 p.m. Eastern. We will start now rotating our shoulders. Inhale as your shoulders go up. Exhale as your shoulders come down. Finding yourself at peace. And at your next exhale, we will get into our pose. It's a standing twist. So when you're able to, you bring one leg up, not putting any pressure on your knee or pressing in your leg. And then you bring your arm over and you're in a standing twist and breathe. Engaging your core and holding it as long as you can. And then come down with your leg and back to the front. Give yourself a gentle wiggle and try this pose each day this week. Thank you for joining me for the pose of the week. Bye-bye.